This is basically what to say a cheating or rather a rape case, and it was very brutal. I was physically, mentally, financially bent over by a guy who was senior to me in my institute. He just came to my institute and sexually harassed me so that I opted either for suicide or I ran away and he could save himself from all his misdeeds. When I went to the police, I already come to know that he was already in touch with the police and all my case, all my affair was totally diluted because of money and influence that this person had. Now the case is going on. It's almost more than 1.5 years. Till date, there is so much of lacuna in the charge sheet for which I am just running from door to door to cope up and make my case more strong. And even now, charges has not been imposed on that guy. A girl like me, coming from a middle class family, and that too from a small city, facing so many people, judge, so many eyes looking at you from top to bottom. They're just looking at with a very what to say notions that this girl has been raped, and I was just like a commodity placed in a shop, and everybody can have a look, and they even try to use me because I was available to everybody for simple things. Whenever I went to the police, I went to the court, I was just been hinted or been asked for favor or so, because thing this is the total mentality what I have read for nowadays, that whenever a girl has been used by a man, now she is available for the society. She can be used in any way. So this was a feeling. I can see the eyes that was looking up to me. I can feel their touch. It was ridiculous.
How is it with your prosecution?
Whenever we approach them, sir, we need this, and this has to be done. These are the lacuna that has been given by the police in our charge sheet. Please take care of this. They don't even listen to us. They just feel this is a very common case, and the girl has used the guy. The girl has been used by the guy, and the girl has also enjoyed. So let it be. Until unless she has been killed or murdered, there is no importance to a rape victim. Everybody, even from the lawyers, judge, they are looking at you. People are commenting. It's totally ridiculous, and it drains out all the energy that I have. After coming back from the court, I just feel I could have ended my life instead of going through this painful procedure.